Today we're going to be testing out the EDIAG Enhanced Code Scanner OBD2 model YA201. Welcome to the inside of Aaron's car.
So we're at a 2014 Toyota Camry. I'm going to show you where to hook that up at. You can see that little connector right there. Under here, and it just plugs right in. Simple as that. Alright, so we're going to check out the engine RPMs. Show you how to get there. Diagnostics. Let it read. We're going to go down to monitor OK, which has 8 items. Okay. I'm going to go to live data. And then I want to display this on a graph. So we'll go to graph display. Okay. Waiting on this guy. Okay. Now my car is off right now. So if I go to RPM, it should be 0. If not, we're going to have problems. So I selected OK, then I'm going to hit back and it's going to go to the graph. So it's showing 0 RPMs. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. So tachometer shows we're at about a little under 1,000, about 600, and here we're showing about 600. So I'm going to rev it up to about 3,000 RPM just to see if we're matching. There you go, the graph's displaying exactly what my dashboard's reading, so that works. Pretty cool.
We're going to check out the engine coolant temperature, see what that's looking like. .186. Well, that's pretty accurate.
VSS is the next one.
That is.
So go ahead, select OK on that, hit back so it goes to the graph.
So if the vehicle speed sensor is reading correctly, since we're parked, we should be at 0. So IAT is reading the intake air temperature. That's what your engine is sucking in under the hood.
Next one we're doing is MAF, which stands for
airflow rate from mass airflow sensor. So the TP is going to show us throttle position or absolute throttle position.
Giving her a little rev. Looks like it's reading it on the graph. Perfect. Now we're going to go check out Vehicl Info. So it looks like we got to turn the engine off on this one. Just going to kill it. Engine's going to be on position without it running. So you can see your VIN.
This baby will also show you calibration identifications and calibration verification numbers. IPT is in-use performance tracking spark ignition engines. So this baby will also give you the battery output. And it's awesome that this thing gives you a live graph that you can watch. And it'll show you what your battery's doing, what your alternator's doing.
Took a little bit of juice to start that, which shows it on the graph.
Pretty cool.
This thing will even tell you what kind of fuel your car takes. Mine specifically takes gasoline. Good to know.
This thing gives you a lot of selections for monitoring live what's going on here. There's a lot of live selections you can watch. Catalytic converter temperatures, all kinds of different things.
All real time. So there you go. And if you don't speak English, that doesn't matter. This thing has all sorts of languages. But I gotta leave it on English because that's the only language I know, so I'm not gonna show you anything in another language. I personally prefer to keep my data logging on, but you can also choose off if you so please. Another cool feature about the EDIAG YA201 is that you can update it. And it also comes with a data transfer cable. Plug it in your computer, plug that in down there, and let her roll.
If you're wondering where to get one of these bad boys, we will provide the link in the description, but you can get it on the Amazon store. And with the special deal going on right now, it is $18.79, which is a pretty good value, I believe, for the scanner. It's got a lot of features that we still need to learn, but we feel pretty good about it. I think it does a lot of things, and it's awesome. We appreciate Nancy sending us the scanner out for review. Check out EDIAG. Overall, this is a very good scanner for the value. We look forward to putting this bad boy to work. Go get you one.